These are the topics that you can see on the board. First is communication skills. You have to be able to explain it as communication as a process and as a skill as well. Then you have different ways of communicating, verbal and non-verbal. Verbal mein we talked about written and oral, and non-verbal mein there were 5 to 6 categories that we discussed, right? So you have to know those categories as well. Next topic is models of communication. Some of the models were discussed in the classroom and some of them were presented. All of them are part of your midterm syllabus. They are very much similar to each other. You just have to make sure that you use the same wordings that the author of that particular model is using. Then types of communication, we talked about many types of communication: one-way communication, two-way communication, lateral, grapevine, organizational, mass communication, formal and informal communication, and there were many categorizations. You have to only follow those categorizations, and whenever you're talking about any type of communication, exemplify it. Even if it does not ask, even if the question does not ask for example, always add an example so that you do not leave any room for me to cut your scores. Then you have written 7 C's of communication. You should know the names and their attribution, their characteristic, कि वो क्या करते हैं और उनका क्या मकसद है. उनमें सिमिलैरिटीज़ तो बहुत हैं, डिफरेंसेस क्या हैं वो भी आपको पता होने चाहिए. देन बैरियर्स टू इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन, इस पे आपने एक असाइनमेंट भी लिखी है, ठीक है. सो हमने 4 बैरियर्स को जेनेरिकली डिस्कस किया था: फिजिकल बैरियर्स, साइकोलॉजिकल, semantic, which were language barriers, and then organizational barriers. इन्हीं चारों की सब categorizations पे आपको exemplify करना भी आना चाहिए, contextualize करना भी आना चाहिए, and then overcoming these barriers, इनकी strategies पता होनी चाहिए. Then memorandum and email writing में आज जो discussion हुआ है, type हो गई, structure हो गया, purpose हो गया, elements हो गए, वो सब पता होना चाहिए. So this is your midterm syllabus which is very easy, repetitive है नेचर में. रही बात किस किस्म के सवाल आएंगे, क्वेश्चंस कुड बी दी एप्लीकेशन टाइप, कि आप अप्लाई करें नॉलेज को, कि आपको बताना है कि मेमोरेंडम लिखें, या ये भी पूछा जा सकता है कि मेमोरेंडम का फॉर्मेट क्या है. बोथ काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कुड बी देयर, theoretical and application based, both could be there. You have 4 questions in your examination and all 4 questions are mandatory. Everything has to be attempted on the answer sheet only. Do not write anything on the question sheet, and I hope you know that I won't be available on campus on the day of examination, so there will be nobody to answer your questions. So make sure that you read the question carefully at least twice to understand whether it has multiple parts or one part only. ठीक है. इसके अलावा बेटे और क्या इम्पोर्टेंट है,
एक ईमेल आएगी, एक मेमोरेंडम है.
इन टॉपिक्स में से कुछ ना कुछ आ सकता है, और ऐसा भी है कि ना भी आए, वो डेफिनेटली है. और क्या इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, बस यही सारा कुछ कि 4 क्वेश्चंस हैं, उसके सब पार्ट्स भी हो सकते हैं, और वो डिस्क्रिप्टिव. हाँ, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इस बेटे कि उसमें कोई इन्फोग्राफिक नहीं बनानी, कोई लिस्टिंग नहीं करनी, डिस्क्रिप्टिवली लिखनी है. और जब भी डिस्क्रिप्शन दे रहे हो तो एग्जाम्पलीफाई करो. इवन इफ द क्वेश्चन डज नॉट आस्क फॉर एनी एग्जाम्पलीफिकेशन, आप एग्जाम्पल उसमें ऐड कर दीजिएगा. यहाँ तक बात समझ आ गई है?